In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can turn on wall jump assist here in Call of Duty Black Ops 7. This is super simple to do and it's going to make wall jumping a lot easier for you. But before we do dive into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But if you want to increase the speed of your wall jumps or just make them easier to perform, whether you're on keyboard and mouse or controller, there's a setting that you're going to want to turn on. First things first, go ahead and go into your settings and then go specifically into the controller tab. From here, what you're going to want to do is actually navigate up in the top and go specifically into the movement section. And if you scroll down a little bit, you're going to see an option for wall jump assist. Now it's going to kind of tell you what some of this is. It might be set to just like forward only or sideways only. You're going to just want to turn this to on so it works in every single direction. And it essentially means that wall jumps are going to trigger automatically when you're jumping near a wall compared to having to, click again. And that is literally it. Now, whenever you do go and try and jump, it's going to be way easier, way faster, and you'll be able to bounce off of smaller surfaces too. Once you get used to it, it actually makes movement feel a lot smoother. If you did find this guide helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.